morning, beautiful people. So today is the day after we did our home tour, and we woke up here in Arizona in the same spot that we slept for the last 2 nights. This is absolutely amazing because I've never, although we did ride hot air balloons in Malaysia, like I've never consistently been around so many. This is beautiful. They're setting it up, and I think it's about maybe 6:30, 6:45 in the morning, and I just see balloons everywhere. Man, it's like I'm in the middle of a movie. I swear it looks that way. So I think that what I'm gonna do is, if you see this balloon behind me, they are setting up. So I think I'll just go ahead and walk up a little closer and see just how close I can get. It looks as if I made it down here just in time. Look how close, right? That is so super cool, but it looks as if I made it down here just in time for takeoff, because I think they have about, I don't know, it seems like about 20 or 30 people on the little car. Oh, it's a birthday. That is so cool to be able to do this for your birthday. See, we don't have hot air balloon options in New Orleans. That's why you guys have to travel, because you're not gonna find exactly everything that you're looking for in your hometown. So it's best if you step outside of your comfort zone. What's wrong, baby? You don't like that? Come here. You don't like that? Yeah, that's way too big for her. She's like, nah. So let's just say that Gypsy is definitely not feeling that hot air balloon. She's gonna stay in the back where she feels a little bit safer. That's okay. I know it's way too big. It's way too big and it's way too close. It has been a long day, and today is like, I mean, it's only, I don't know, 2 o'clock. I don't know, I tried this new lipstick. It's wearing off, but it's growing on me. Anyway, that's not what I picked up the camera to see. We just made it back in the van. We went to Walmart, but we took Gypsy to this little dog park, and Gypsy is so funny. It's like she enjoys people more than she enjoys dogs. It's like we take her to the dog park only for her to interact with the dog owners. She's super weird like that, but eventually she played and she got comfortable. So that's basically how our day has been going. Just made it back in. I'm about to put the groceries up. But yeah, other than that, y'all, I don't know. I really don't have much to report. Can't hear myself with the fan on. And let me close this cabinet. Let's see why it's not closing. Okay, so today was a pretty good day, actually. We got our van tour done, so you guys should be seeing that really soon. And right now we're gonna wrap up the day. Gypsy is, she has been amazing. Like, I didn't think she was gonna be as calm and cool while we were doing our van tour. I thought that we were gonna have some issues, but we ended up not. She is such a good dog. Like, she chilled the entire day. So we did a van tour for tiny home tours, and we also did our own van tour. So yeah, like I said, we're just gonna go ahead and wrap up the day. We have a salad. Gypsy is going to have her little puzzle game, and we're gonna call it a night. So here, baby. Pick it up 'cause it was flat. Here, look. You want the drink? That's all you gotta do is put in a little work, Gyp. Cherry limeade. I have me a Gatorade Zero.
Hey guys, so got the Tenaj put the groceries away yesterday. Made a little mistake myself. While I was repacking our boxes back in the garage, made a mistake and bumped the inverter button, and it kind of broke off. So we have no inverter power. We kind of bought a temporary inverter and just plugged it into like your little cigarette lighter in the van to get some 120 power so we can charge our cameras and our MacBook. So we did email Battleborn, and we are trying to work out a way to get it repaired or get it sent back and forth. It looks like an easy fix to me, so that's what's going on. But anyway, let's put that aside. Today I'm making breakfast. I'm going to show you what I'm making for brunch today out here in the middle of the desert. Alright guys, there you have it. That's brunch. Let's see how it tastes. That's good.
Good morning, beautiful people.
I'm gonna get a shirt out the trunk.
You're gonna get what? Oh, anyways, so today we have a lot of errands to do. We have to clean out the van. Faustino's gonna change the oil. I think we have to empty the tanks, and we have to find a Planet Fitness because we've been in a desert for about 3 or 4 days, and it's definitely about that time. Okay, so I just finished up with cleaning, and Faustino is still busy. He's actually outside changing the oil. So as soon as he finishes with that, I guess we can hit the road chop. But right now, I'm gonna catch up on my Bridgerton. Are y'all watching Bridgerton? If so, let me know what you think about it in the comments below.